Ebusua baby ayede wura no ene say ya bakosemu say wo hwesra na no so na wo kaaka wo ho a ene de ne kai wo wi aka say bo me bisa asasem no say ye wura July bosome no mu say na hu say ya paim na asena fa ne ye keka e de ko na wie ye ho a wo bo hu say biribi etimi sanka wiem so wo wira firi wo ho a na aba be kaaka wo wo say ene da ne na no kura wiem no sesan ni nyina di adanse se eda bi duru su se ya na Ghana fo nka bi nhemu ye mampani otiegwa so ye nko dansori a awose chi obi a de na asie ye se ye di awerho odupon bi atutu na enyo bi ase Ghana mampani otiegwa so His Excellency John Evans Atafi famous fere ni kweja fenten fe omino so bra mampani dada akofo de na konwa no ni dwumadi e be na wie ya na nkasa abre no so no mebo aboso se won besan so atoa so a no wo mo kantem bi kukurudu no wo mo age so eshi kukuru wo se yakaso se no wo mo nyanka so sa abre no e na Professor Messi yi wo mo fira konwa no so a wo ba betra Ghana konwa so enti January 2009 emfempi mienu ne nkono no mo ho ena ne wo so akofuna mu swai da na eto so nso she bo kire se wo man no emfa ho ne ba bia aduru a wa ba befa wo de asomodwe ebe kire man no na de wo se yensa ka bia nso yensa atumi aka na wei papa se ye ka na boss ye na bakosem ba bia wo firi bra ye wo no July kro na mu no da na eto so adu no ba ko enti na du ba bia na ye ka kire se history always repeat itself da eto so adu ba ko afi apema henkono aduanan na twede ampon enam ne na ene na ja so de ne ba ati asefo sa asi so ewo ekumfu atuam hono wo no mofiri na mom takwa wato e mantamu ena wo no mo ewo no ewi okwa chimote school ko sua dia na wabo bi wonim de enti school ne de wamfa nya ni hakura ko University of Ghana Legon ewi kura sai ko sua mra na so prof nam ho bia no na se de bi no de je wo mo ho mena ebobo edu ba bi kura gita ka se ma wamfa sai de bra ne nto nso na wo munya nuru ho no wono wamfa matabata no hokura ye Bachelor of Law LLB law wo ye bi na we nyina echi aye ka no wansa na amana nso ho anka so baby a waduru no obetimi de ewura court de mu aye adwuma nti eno ano no wo santo aso biu enti eno na de ne ko Oriental and African Studies so as School of Oriental and African Studies eno so kokoso ya de wo London PhD law nso wo boy specialize pa ewo etrojeje mechiresi kato taxation na we nyina echi no Stanford Law School wasan so ko ho ekoye adwuma pa ka ho mo mu zampa we bright we scholar ewie ye no ne wosua nyina na aka se wode be ye adwuma mu yehu ne wakwa akosua no ene pa wo mu enti emu na Professor John Evans Atafi famous wo ba be kira ade ewo suapam no Faculty of Law University of Ghana de wo sua ye ni nyina bo ho di bra hodo no wo be ba practice na wono nso wo ba ne mamu wamfa ntena burochire enti wo ye adwuma pa ewie no na se ye ka sikato ne na nyeje ya emra da ho wiase nyina hunu no na modern monti enti kwa wie no be Commissioner of Internal Revenue Service of Ghana a wo som pa afi we nyina eno no wo som mai no na ba amanyosem kura asabre no wo nyanko ho e be kasa won ko ho e wonu mumpa no wo mfa no ho mata batai enti afi apem ahankono adu akono nso ede ba besi emfempi mienu ene ba akunu mu ho ana Ghana mampene ono so nya ne ba bi ko Flight Lieutenant General Efomba Uto Rollins bo ni din sa wo mra meka no ho no wo mumu man no e me na ba di akire enti eno mu na wo ba be vice president ede man wo eno so wo bo adwuma pa na 2000 eko 2004 no bra na mampene dada Rollins de akonwa ne de ba wie ya ne ye kwa akoto aba enam so makofo mampene dada akofo ba yi wo ko ye kokopre ne mum amfa ewie no 2008 bra mampene nkofo de ne de ba wie ya na so no ma ne pese wo moto so asabre no na dan kwa akofo ade wo chema piesie ebetu franka no oh wone ne sesabo aso na ne wo de sono sisi wo fo nse nwe ma odi ntwo na obedi nkunim enti obedi nkunim no wo bo adwuma na January 2009 ene yede ne sia akonwa so abusua Ghana nkan bi nhye mu ni nim say beto aba bi okura yire so 2012 mfempi mienu ene dumienu no mu na emuna bra ye hwe Ghana kura ye ka se wayiri ye nya bie ye be ye ho adwuma nom ne ye ho ade kane no ne ase ye de bobo adum ne adan ehu ye kura bi se ya adwongo na enye no kura enye wayira ene nti se ye tu Ghana wayire no ne duduo mu pam ye ho Ghana science ye petrol no 2010 kinisia oil production no na ye na pensoa na we ya ye kan no na aban no etretre enwumasua mu pa tituru ne nhyehyɛ no eba de ye de so adesua asene no wo pagya ni nyina mu afa papa ne ye kana asempa na obia nkomo a wode edie ni din a ye de frɛ no ni din John Evans atafifi mo sere kura no ne ye nta mo ne kese sa asomdwe hene esanse wo bebo asomdwe hu dawuro pa na ehunu sampa wono nso asomdwe ne wonu mu enti eba kan bima nka bi mu a wode asomdwe ne wuram amamu no nso wo san de wuram emewie magana fo mpo a na edu ba bi a na ntitimu wo ya afa no ye nyina san be ye baako masanka bomu no ebae ne doyire ya wone ne bae a bra wo ye mampani na wo ye Ghana ba panin no eye maame Ernestina na Eddie Mills ena afi ne ba Sankofia Tamils enti wono se wo ba no no wone dodo enti na man ne dada koma so pa na no na bi anka bi anhye mu a bosome kutawonsa wan kuto obi afa wade ne da to so adunu nan 24 July 2012 na wadi mfinhye na duosia enwotwe 68 years ansa na wo be Ghana mampani ye kote ya ye se suswane bi afa abra na nso ntoi na efa ye no nso ama abo bi aka wowo ye de pane awo pane ama Ghana fo abonyenye ye mampani no wadane ato na se ye ka papa ya samwa de be ma wate ne nkan wate ase pa yi no o de ne speech is ahodo a wo ye na bra Facebook no so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na de wa be ho ni so na hwe abakosem enna kandifo a uhu wo mo no bi no sa bre no na ebinum kurakura frage na wo mo di nya mampani na ebinum nso kura kiniye na wo mo di asi ne so Ghana mampani a wote egwa so ne sabre no na weye na bedi akire na ogina ne nsa nifa so nya asam keto akora na abusua sade ensam no etie pa na wahu se ye kasa ye bom ne ye bom na ya bomu akwa akosi ase a enkomo no de pa na papa no se wote ne nka che ma yentie we mra na fe yenka ka so wafe no a
that I should let you know. I was waiting for the announced video to be shown, and that confirmed the reports that I've been having all along. Officers of Customs, you are Ghanaian citizens. You have to help us to build a better Ghana. But if this is the kind of behavior, this is the kind of attitude that you have, you are not helping us in any way. Indeed, today, I came to express my disgust and my revulsion at the way some of you are helping to erode the benefits that we are making or we have to give to our people. You are in charge of revenue. Every day we hear reports about malpractices, people collecting bribes with careless abandon, people who think that they are entitled to take bribes. How can we get rid of corruption? I'm not saying that nobody should appreciate the work that you are doing, but when you make it a condition, somebody should give you some money before you perform your duties. I've known Customs for quite some time. I was Commissioner of Internal Revenue. And the announced video confirmed the fears I've had for quite some time. Look at yourself. I want to talk very frankly to you. Somebody joins Customs. 2-3 years, the person is putting up a building. The person owns a car. In what organization will it take you 3 years to build? And it is not the exception. It is the rule. Very often, my Minister for Finance is worried about the fiscal gap that we have. And your duty is to collect, to display transparency in the way you operate. And I'm happy with the initiative that General Modi has taken. And I give him my full support. My brothers and sisters, let me be very honest with you. If it means transferring everybody, I will give him the authority to do so. If it means changing all the people in customs, I will do so. Because we do not owe anybody anything. But I know there are good people amongst you. The good people should be influencing the bad ones. Because your reputation now has been soiled. And this is something that we have known all along. And I want to use this occasion to send a signal to your colleagues at Aflao. I'm aware of what they are doing. And very soon we'll descend on them.
SOMPA FM.
And then DDLA, one of these days, they will find me there. My brothers and sisters, this is a good opportunity for us to showcase Ghana. This is the gateway. When people want to do investment in Ghana, they come to the gateway and they are met with corruption. Go and come, go and come, go and come. Because there are some who don't want the reds. You want the blue. You want the pink. You will collect the green and the other colors. Yes. Don't be surprised that today I'm in an angry mood. And I have every reason to be angry. Because you are depriving the generality of the people of their entitlements. Look at the number of people who can hardly make ends meet. Look at the number of people who cannot go to school because we don't have the resources. Look at the number of people who go to school and the trees. Look at the number of people who cannot even have access to medical care. And we need the revenue to be able to do that. And what is happening? The money you collect does not belong to you. It belongs to the nation. And nobody has a right to appropriate what belongs to the nation. And I've told General Modi that he has every right to do what he thinks is right. Of course, some allegations have also been made against GCNet. Their day of reckoning is also going to come. I'm not going to judge them on the basis of this, but the matter must be investigated. And let me also say this. Who is watching the watchman? You have security agencies which are operating here. I wish that the revelations from ANAS could have come to me through the security agencies which are here. No, that has not been the case. You have a situation where all kinds of task forces have been created. There are people who come here through.
Wow. Say, oh, Facebook, no, so now we have SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And answer SOMPA Accra 106.5 Life. Sanko Munina Obehuno. Bra wo call custom for. Ya na omo chese niam na kura free baby ba na omo di bi fa kwati kwan nom na ho ade corruption na ba no mu atete awiwe se amakunu adu sa abre no na ye de donkuma na omo ka nti wo call custom ho no ne nkomo no na ene se wo betena kwadwa so nyina no na edu baby bi kana papa no wonte apo na papa no wonte apo e wo mu sa apote de obia wote ate asefo asa ase so ho ye mfana ma bi nte apo de na wo kokore no ho baaye no nso no sabre no ni wo wira fira ye kai o SOMPA.
I have just arrived from the US where I undertook
SOMPA FM.
a regular medical checkup. Thank God, everything is okay.
SOMPA FM.
But let me explain something. It is my tradition to have regular medical checkup in Ghana. However, my doctors felt that for one or two reasons, which required more comprehension, we will go outside the country. Now, according to the Constitution, whenever I leave the country, I have to indicate. But thanks to each and every one of you, I would urge that we continue to pray for all those who decide to go for medical checkup or to go for review, I have a message. The report of the review tell me one thing, that past, the present, and the future. And
SOMPA FM.
And therefore, I should drive from here to the castle to continue my work. Now, let me tell you this thing. We should all work together. We in NDC, we have a job to do. Let us make use of the facilities which have been given to us. Any animal, when they want you to ask, you want to one more pay. You want to one more pay this way or that way. But this has shown one thing. God is in control.
Na ebusuya ya bo we su nyina no de sompa ye kai bie na ya kai we na adehye na woro mo Ghana no nso e kai bi pa na ebusuya wo bono mantemu ene na afa na opambo ageman woni adehye no bi di nkomo na ode etiawa sade wo no mo nso no wo mo kai papa yi ode ye ntie no mra eno eya bonofo de wonom na wode kai papa yi pa ene no abusuya we nyina ye kan no se woni dimafo a eye wo medimafo heba center ya Dr. Tam da so eda no anwumre yi wo kan ye ho pa den ena ye ba waboboa no ye den sempa no enam na ye kan ni sei no se ene ena ye kenkan ya bubusra na esiso a ye de ekaye enam saya so ama eho dwaba wo mo bo ne nne no dom ni nyina basia sentrofo hobi na oponcheche kumo ejina ase anya asamketoa na eho na Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya wono papa John Evans Atamos ene de bae ma obete ne to abeye ne mampani abedi ekire na ekokwo hwie no abusuya sade ensam no boy ne eho ade no wo chese papa ne de asomdwe hene no se ye kana asempa na woye mamba pa wodene man no patriotism na wo no so fe entity pa discipline na no so ne mudie pa integrity na wokuramu afe ye ka wo man no so kura abadaye ne tema pa no na no so wowo enti Ghana mampani nya adaje e kasa ho na we nyina no asonje park babia ye kata ye wura echi no ho na adwabo no koso ya nkomo no nyina so e koso bi na nyom na eda yete edifiri ni wura no
but it also has a way of sharpening memory. 40 years after Professor John Evans Atamos left us, I find that what endures most after his departure is not really the memory of the president, but the memory of a man, a gentle soul, whose character was his greatest strength. Leaders command attention by force of their personalities. The generals commanded respect and the strength of his character and his values. He believed that kindness was not weak, and that humility was not timidity, and that decency was not incompatible with effective leadership. He demonstrated that one could occupy the highest office of the land without losing one's humanity.
eno na ebubusa sa Ghana mampani ai na be ma yemre osanse se wona ase wo den sesen a ye di awere ho ne ye ka sei no se te bia oni so beso ntina ama ne mene mu nyina ago na eba ne sa no de wotua wo ma yemra se badwafie se tenene yewra aban somana Kingsford Babin Togbega wono so ko bi na sa bere na no oponchecheku wo ho no mampani kasa wie ya no so opombra na men ka bi nka ho na fa som pafo.
A leader whom I had the honor working alongside for many years, having on the University of Ghana in public service, the trenches of pushing around the whole country, from region to region, national level, within the party, and later in the corridor of soccer. What years have passed since we leave Officer Joey for some years to rest? Yet the President has not deemed what he represents to this nation. The child born in the year of his father is now on the threshold of adulthood. Inheriting the Ghana from health to shape, even if they never.
Dear Uti ye, woman mrasha bedwafie, tenene a wotua wo ma no. Yewra Aban Sumana Kingsford Babin Togbega ene kasa ye. Ni nyina ya asundwe park ho. Ye de kai Ghana mampani dada. Wonya ni ba bi koi ewo omanye akonnwa so. His Excellency John Evans Ata Fifi Mills. Okonfie tuam de hye konkron. Na we nyina ye ka no. Ewo mse de ye kai ya bobo obobi so. Won so kura bi hye wontuma mu a waka aka bi kura mpo bi a yenya mo so. Na wo saadi hu no ebusu ye bekwa akodi nkomo. Ne moma remfi se baby awa wo hweye anase wutie no Facebook no so a for adwenkyere won kanto so fa beto ho de wode kai Ghana mampani a wonya ne baby ko John Evans Ata Fifi mo se pa ne nyina de ba ye bekenkan e de amaw Sompa FM live ani YouTube na brochirefo ne nyina wo mote ho na wo mode nam wo fakwa kudo nyina mo wo brochire no a wo ba Ghana ye kai.com decoder na so baby FM stations ne wo no Sompa ho erenti uchim radio no na wonya ka ho na ko decoder no so na fe konya yen anwumre just hot kenke hye de tutu efiri mu okuta yemu na ye be ensempa no edema wo ebia 106.1 na wutie yandi free na wo mfimfini mantam ani ye fra na kingdom na o bono na po ye fam dia eno ene Sompa tachiman no anwumre wo mu nyina biebie nkwaban no de atotum na adehye no wo no monso enya ensampa no bi na wotie na abusua wasa asemi ho no sai maka cho se bia wose de wosika no na mayenko yewura Duncan Asanchen na fiyin kudi nkomo wono de se ye ka ye wire firi ko du ba bia no we sam wire firi no wakayen ye ka Professor Ata Fifi Mills se mfinhia be se du nani na na asundwe park na esewani ene waso mame men na fe musa ansa na yebedi nkomo na ewura mu kura no ye ka Evans Ata Fifi Mills former president ye ewu akonwa so a ye wura Duncan o ka no a o ka ne sen ne edi kan ye mo adwomo akwa abo
ya eja papa lucia mo eti furi na
wonu mu nyina ajo so ene wonu mu asabre no na ye nyanwo wo mu de eye wo mu news pa wo mu ane wo ho no nso abre wo mu kura ma obi ane na were ho wato agu kura no ene se no wote aduane ho a wapie aduane na esi nchen Professor Mills se obeka ka ye nkakra ama ya adwen asa akoye chini ya kai no a se de na osi nim papa yi pa ansa na ye kura ye bi hunu papa tie mu kakra
yo medase yaka opinini bi ti de Professor Atanosa oye okuni bi a ofi mantu mu na obo no ho mwaden wo na dwuma egum wo kan eya adeke oje bi oje aboje ko do de oba friend Professor amala mi ne ne ye teacher yin na answer na ebe ya Professor na wala disappointment na stress wala from no na osewoni na mo papa odintie otumu kuya akọ kode ma obenya aboje ti de Professor na Ghana membu ewo yewura president Jerry Rollins na membu mo no ohun da no hie panyin bi a owoyim bi a obrodo na oboboa no wa membu no mu enti dam time no panyin fu bi ti de Professor Kwame na hoy na nim panyin bi ya papa Jerry Rollins osmo position na oje tumo baye vice president of Ghana no so adwuma no ye ne ye ya ma so na ye nti okodu mmiri bia na yewura Lawrence na ban na orko na wie no o de ye nyu bia obotu wajina na name na wakita enyama bia nkofu bi perception another man nkofu waji ne ye ho ho ya mamu no obotu o de isusu papa o de baba eni no hello
Hello. You are at you.
Sorry.
No problem.
No, vice president. No, Obudana, Papa Rolling, Open Mobile candidate. Yakaya, Opubi, do declaration.
No, correct.
The Matamano, Manchester, now, the young one is Giga, Oman, okay, party thing for them. Oma, you are at the most already. And also, Oden, ma, NDC, Wapako. Oh, yeah, 2020, I hear you. If I hear the mono, or sure that, listen, say it in the and you go on and shadow the jar, or sure that 2009 of the year president, Ghana. The president, Lumuna, Apiancham, another Uyanko, or the friend, when she important through. There's a couple of Atamosa, Ada, and if the video were able to make that country as Mode or as Mode personified, but not saying that when you hear, letting the living the nature more, not a move to me, more say actually there as Mode Baba or my Ghana. It's really a no level to a Ghana for you and I get you there. Therefore, at the move, maybe never to make that better association, and I want you can associate the name with. On a assume independent, you need to answer that. No, when you go on the airborne and fire, they are the same to Yanamuri, now some they know, on board on that, Yapapa as a must, or that as you know another or Abraham Nakuma, may I there, Ghana, Odia, yes, so many, but
Mo, you're a Duncan, baby, a dear. Now, you can't or Benford Ivan Satamosa. Meka se Ghana de kura sa politics mo ba ye no ya nche dan hu ne kese anche na ba mo woto nsafre nwi na wo bo na bakosem na disua ba bi ofiri ansa na mpo ye beka se obi obenfo no na ne wasua bo ne tiri mu bew no wo de gu wiase ha enkoho na chese ye bo no ho asem a wonim no pa na amamuo mu no se papa wo hwa na mamuo de ode ba ya anche kura wodane toy na de toto de abesene ko de wo ho deda ene ne afi na ebobo ba de wo hin na dance wo mu a obeka se ne nkasa afo ni nyina sua papa ya ebebo ama Ghana ba bia ye hwe se ye de na abesine betimi agina ho
so here NDC so we believe work there and that president atamos oba no owunde yen kofu de sabe what the ultra aka Ghana tika ana njode woye what the opo dina ngrano ono so ye menu memo meti de wose ono ye munu ni wo party mu wose oye yewra atamos na atame de ni so onye wo go man no wo so wonya so abofo nti wo so oba ye de ebia wo so mutu be diploma na de mpumuru ba it is the way president way back call back to the but no back to the man only more the man the NDC to put the perception there and no oma because we will be we power or party we will there the area campaign there because we will do let they have a power that you will be there for that or they are connected to on the national no na after na give there in or they are going to use to the na wada be adwuma wada chon sa o wan ka se kunde adwuma no ye na ya papa da ye na ya papa ye Ghana no wada adwuma na chon sa do wada ye se ye ye da mo be ya Ghana be ya hu paso na ko go ye sika ana bo sa ka sika da owu na wu family ana do wu na webu cha kwete mu ko de no mind Ghana no won chire nti America ke de wo atabo de ye de mu na yi de collective boot ye ni na la kata to change the gloom no so ban bon to ban dia on se no pata no yin na ye be ja adam ro ba ya o man Ghana ba fa ntem pra the little that ma ye ye the say yara na ma why you metro every situation you yara or one more response na onyankopon na atem mbo o se be ye bia na nyankopon obi a oyi de onzi o man anyim it ni ye to compare the baby into mfa professor no the pen mo compare yeah papa John Mama then kede atamos ya de say John Mama the man ya or a mistake but then the na leadership It is a leadership for India in the end. Martin, now we are buying that. Osa no you pano in the slabo binti. Ya bakoda ya katare da chamo baya omano oba kare tempe meda.
Mo yewra dankan ansa na ebija wo na mu kura ma wakoi sanse wadwuma do so no. Me kakra me kai mpo wo prof ho ne se bra wo bedi Ghana konwa. DC for MMDC isa. Mempene dada kofo yi wo mo no kura no wo mo tie konwa so no. Wampam wo mo wo ho a wo ja wo mo di ade amedu ba bi na Ghana for kura kasa. Na wo de no etoto sade yesi ya manyo sam ne ene na chini ye ekuta so no minim. Adeche na wo so no nso etimi chini ye bo dendenden. Se wo hwe Prof Mills sade no wo ye ne de no. Na obenya nka amanyoku ni nyina akora nka mmomu ana
yo babaka wo hoye de ta APAM DADAA no pumbedala mba ncha APAM popumbo no wunya and if it is not broken you don't fix it. It is not a no see the madu e be asem no oti e popo bedre wo ajini bi de the madu no ye nma omma man popo bi wo kata mo ne bi do papers or what is the was a show no more ye but I think now abana we lose let one get in there everybody there all the evidence another nyama obo share na wo do I think what we going to report no on nipa that he or don't say nyama ya kaya office the ya see the papers the ayo if the man am down boy and the president that so he wasn't a politician, he was a technocrat.
Okay,
it's my politicians will be here the panel. Ono am de no onim nkete yi no bit that role in the mono anye ya president John Mahama na de no na ku kwado mono they are politicians and they know what politicians can do into the wamala because president Ubona do not proceed on this or man go be proceed on this them over here it's a dream that kata chebe aye and now we have 100% politicians so we take the decision we should allow them and let us move on as a country.
You radankan ye be mo mo pa ne enkyerɛkyerɛ a anwumre odi ama yɛn na wokɔ to Ghana for esan sɛ utie prof ne nkasa ye kura ebe ba wiye bra wokɔ medical care bai na still ya ma ne kasa hu sɛ na hwene no kura ebobɔ nkyɛ sɛ wɔn tia po nwie nanso yɛn timamufo no edu ba bi a pressure de besi aman mpanimfo so no ka bibi kyerɛ yɛn ya na eboa ana yɛ ne kwan ano no
yo mamaka achiro my Ghana ni na de yi na ye mu de ochina oni ho mayen ene ye ho ochina na ye ho na e ga ade ne yare ye ne de eja enchirima obi re ko ti galamse o da se ntu ndere se ntu o ma ma lo ho no wo ba o bonu mu si de obi oka trotro na so ni de finding ye it was to no de de oyim de what the sensitive also do Asha Street, no less than 20 cities. Now, if I don't find one rule in the Bible said that, or today, I know how much it was on your nether. You need to know, or ye, or table. It's a million, I hear war, and me, lecturer. Many, one of Koye, and you may be, or you got a million, lemon come on man. Or the United States would there. On mine, is my younger say, mine. It's the media area, the actually yes, they are not going to stand. Obama or China, Kuno Akonini, and Akonechi. Yen Nayamba, Yamitruna, Hopo, Yavan Ghana, Weduma, Leary. Amen. Amen.
You are done, can you read SOMPA? Yanni and Crabata Nina, Yamu, and Obra, when Yama Fufrobia, a better change as well. You can't when you have opened in say booms abajenso.
Madame Papa.
Yewra Duncan Arthur, one governance expert, eba mamu amanyoye amanchira wabi mu pa ene ene no kokobɔ nkɔmɔ no abusua ni nyina obenfo John Evans Atafi famous kaya ye de kai no ye di awerɛhoɔ na ye ti ne suo abusua we nyina no sɛ ye yiyo edwabɔ bibia ye bedidi ase no Just Hot Kinky ya no wato nsafre wɔn mo de yellow corn na ɛyɛ na okutaye mu anwumre yi na ye bite ne hot e de ama won so nya de ye no mo wuro dome commercial bank na chipe na wonom ebutu medimafo herbal center Dr. Tam da so wodano no what the time ato ye nso na enya de ye di awerehu se yade ne hyehye ho aka ho kono won hwew na ho ntomfata mo nto so na yade enyira sense obetena se eti nananom wonse do anwumire bukita yemu na ye kai obenfudie ye basesi ya na fe ye de wofa etoso miiri no ato also
SOMPA
Everything is okay.
Abusunya hot bites kasi bono ento aso na yede esomwo enenwumre ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM across so na yenko mentifi do mantam no emu abeto odwase owura bia wedding fishia no aduanan mienu ya wo mo kyeremu se wo bɔ ne ho safo hene se wo ye imam ewo wa yabua ne force emfishia edu wonko da afiase no wanya adwumaden emfa mo aga na ban sansa abemu a wadi mfishia no enson 7-year-old boy ena wakoka ne to agumu a eho asem no akwakoye ensempi na verdict na womode baaye no womu echiremu ese enima bia etise ne tichuru pa se panyini a wani afi na enipa dodowo ye ma bebrebe abu owiase na wode wo se wo mpa bia abamu a ya wadi mfie nan na wo kosese no a yade bi hadwene nti wo mu jaama ne kwa enyeye na principal state attorney eye Owura Abdul Said Shaka wono ene de to court no animu se papa ye fe no Iliasu Konate na womo kyeremu se wono wankasa na no asam so no wo mu gina ye ya wo mu di ebu anafo na wotempotemu bia ne ye frɛ ho kabenya ye no ewo wa empotem ho abamu a 7-year-old no wone ninua ba ena etie wo mo kyeremu se abusua na wo mo de hye ne sa abamu a wo mo gye papa yi di popopopa sesa bi obi a wo se wo ye imam de na eba enkramosum ne mu a eba ni die ye eba ta adwuma ne ho a na wo mo ogidie wo mnum pa se enya de a wo betimi aye bibia etesa nti akwada no wo mo timi kura kojan wo papa ne ho na ninua ba ne kɔ na adwuma so kwa kwaye na de wo ba na wababa fa abamu ano na wo kyeremu ese wono ankasa ne step daughter kora waye ne saa enti niema we no tum se nye de di kan nie en wo mo ekobo court no amane a Upper West Regional Coordinating Council so eso asem ne mu ma wo mo de kopie mu ewo police fo akache enhwehwemu ko so to aso wa asem ne mu a afei na brewe puma kwemu a wo mo de kopie mu wa high court a na wotwe kakra entamu ne ne se atemuo no aba wo mo kyeremu se medical evidence daddy se eba ne saa no ya ma akoda na kwa ya sabia ama doctor fo ahwehwe se eye no kore se bibisa asi anase bibisa nsi ama apomdi adwuma efo akyeremu so we no kore se bibisa asi nti adanse wo ho a etia na ekyiremu pefe se opanyini no eyade se waye bibia etisa nti jeje a wote na adwam ehwese de ne omekọ no wose dabi Owura Iliasu yi ade a wo ye ye die ye ka ho asem a enye ye mfihie dukọ ne kodem wo kọ na oba wonsa nkofa obi ba bamu wa ya wedi mfihia no enson enkosese ne biom
we wontimi ntu ne din esansa wo ka geizem kura de amra ne tia ne dendendenden na Ghana for so wo mpe no yemfiri sremantifi ne yemura wo man bedwafie media review budget a yewura atoba force nura okobie so ede to ho na Ghana for dodo ne mu se wo be anhwe a obeka se de ma no na nso nte mfa bi nso so na ne sa pa de anko be cha ma yam ne nso anko ba ne sa yewura atoba force Kasiel eto aso se sansu yiri ye ba ye fa Ghana de hye nom ne ye nka bi hye mu nanso ne nyina no abana ye hye abofoto bi kura de ato ba bi a wode ye sa ho adwuma abo ho bra ba bi ye se wo mo tetetete sumuna ma emu da ho na nsuo to ebetimi atene mu afa ne nyina no wo ma ye na nyame de che 2027 wo ma na ko humasika wo mde beba no e wode wo mbe shada pa capture wo na enhye ne akwampona wo no befa so ama sansu yiri no etro betwa anempo ebetwa ba ahwe ano eno what was we say
businesses and caused extensive damage to public infrastructure. Ghana was not alone. Similar floods also affected Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire.
Eno yewra atofosia de no worka ever flood no ho media review budget eno na yede atwawe
na ensem no wode tu dwa no so wobo 400 million Ghana cedis bia eno so wo saka se wo de kototo bases ahodo bi se de beye betimi aboa ama akobadie hu ensem no so atimi akonkan Metro Mass die wom na State Transport Company STC wo bases isu bi ewomu a saa sika fotri sika botini ya wo akwakoje 400 million Ghana cedis no ya wo allocate no wo gidi pass Ghana fododo no na wo ho kire wo ewo transport ho wo omaimu ntichu pa ene enkran hanum senti wo mugidi se we no eba ebetimi aboa manema mu ayemre kakra
100 million Ghana cedis for the acquisition of high occupancy buses to strengthen the fleet of state-owned transport companies, including Metro Mass Transit and the State Transport Company. Mr. Speaker, this intervention will expand public transport capacity, particularly along high-demand urban and intercity routes, reducing long passenger queues during peak hours, and provide commuters with more reliable and efficient alternative to private vehicles. Mr. Speaker.
Wey Dr. Kasiela to forcing or main for to some for near tenin king.
Yera to forcing crona na nenkasa ene yenwie. Was house be so na we dia kura no ene da due ya bra wo mawie media review budget na amafo di ho nkomo no na was house boss asemi so efie ho. Na ni nyina na ye valued added tax e frɛ ne VAT no. Reforms ahodo ya wo maye wo ho a ebedoma aboama 2027 ene se enko na wie ye no. Eso betia mo bia ehun akomu bie na o man na nya so mfa so.
I strongly believe that by the end of next year, so those reforms we've put in place will yield results to the extent that government will begin to lower the tax rates. I believe that. I think we'll get there. I can see that clearly coming on the back of VAT. The VAT gap is about 60%. 60%. Simple put, there are many GRAs around this country. Individuals turning themselves as tax authorities. They collect the tax in the pocket instead of giving the money to the state. I call them mini GRAs. Some are restaurants, some are supermarkets, some are hotels, some are individuals. They charge the VAT from consumers as withholding entities, and they are supposed to transfer this money to the state or account and pay. They don't do that. The new reform we are going to introduce in electronic point of sale devices we are going to bring was
Enti we no waka wo mo akofa nema edibi toto so nanso wi a wo kwa akoto no ya tew so VAT wo mo tie enso wi wo tie na wo de akofa nema foforo enko aban ho na wo se wo mo ye electronic device o mo hyehye bibia awie wo kofa ne se wo de bade bi to so no na eno ete e de kwa aban ho we yewura atoba forcing ne nsem a obi esu ndani bia
Yenra ensem foforo emumampani abedi akire he excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajemanedi to just say Ghana buying Omariata sopa said the beya wombetimi aboa na metropolitan municipal any district assemblies ahodoa ye frɛ wo MMDAs no wombetimi aboa wo maso masene edi akade ahodoa ya wo mu hia nyina aboa said the beya kronkuma mu mpontuo ebetimi akonkan na wɔkyerɛ mu ɛsɛ omampani John Dramani Mahama ne reset agenda ya wode ebei eyade se kronkuma mu empontu no ehunya ne pa local governance no enti eyade bi a wo maye o madwene se wo monto wo mu ajaje mu wo de nsem wo nyina etudwa wabra wo kokasa ye na eye Sister Cities International wo mu emfihie aduoson anniversary homecoming na wo ye ho conference sa dwumadie no ase Washington DC wo United States na professor Edisa ensemi ekotudwa wose ye kasai aban na hyase etu ho na mo a 4.4 billion Ghana cedis ni sika yadane ede ama mensin assemblies ahodo no said district assembly common fund ewo afempidu ni aduro num akohuma sika ya won bekenkan ye mo mugidi se sa sika yi ebetimi aboa mampuntu ho asem enso akoye.
The reset agenda of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama continues to place decentralization at the heart, at the center of national development. As government works to strengthen local governance, today unprecedented resources are being channeled directly to our district assemblies. The government is not only deriving responsibility, but also providing local governments with significant greater resources. The year 2025 was a turning point because change in resources was approved. The budget provides the largest allocation ever to the District Assembly's Common Fund, a release of $4.4 billion.
We Her Excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman, Ghana Mampanyini Abediachi.
Ebusia ma yenwura ekobi a yefre wo mo Concerned National Service Personnel Association of Ghana. Na ekoi se enema bi ekoso a sabi wankasa oti ho a yebewe yibone pa eni utiri na nkasa kura ense. Sa National Service wo mo allowance de ma wo mu kuma bi asa chiri atwop mani. Na yede ma no nyina echi no yede nifade ma no yede benkum eti de afirim. Enti wo mo se enimonimu ye no entete ho ahoda wo mo atete sister Ghana cities bia ye tete edi free wo mo capacity building program no mu no wo mo hia wo musika wo de eka ye je sika na kwadwe ya large wo no ene pani a odi wo manim ede sansemi ebo so na de ntia wo se wo no mo ji wo musika ene ehwa de dodo na ne se political doctor no na sama wo de to so a yensa ntwerofo efa bi nie.
So I see you media for sorry, NASPA for 60 cities every year. Allowance. And you man say 60 cities no matter. Allowance means 715. And what is 60 cities? And you can say 60 cities no matter. When fire sika MIA. And to the din kaya ye call for. And I din kaya ye person mu ye. And say 60 cities sika no matter. Omo ever MIA. Na omo make provisions bank. And entire decision on taking on 60 cities every then allowance now on some procurement processor of course selected suppliers on the money charges Atlantic one limited no econ and then of course what selectors are company what legal base
one president in a casa say Samuel Yelage ne say political doctor na wiye no sade o sika obobbo so bi ye say den na chese niam binu mu akira wo mo kura te ase enyeye na wo mo demand say wo mo demands ni wo mo ka kire mpanimfo
Mudi date 100 cities say omudi be ye cloth and tuma the needs and tuma no so omo see am fa ko you dey fa ko bo na wo say you omnisci that yes no matter say side decision the fact is say you bia no ye no e no justification e dey dina so say oh bia to normal omumra e say contract ni omuni mai e contractor e award Bakoro every entuma Emma NSS Timu and cities where 200 cities from account near the cater for entuma into a mumra no let's say a type decision now on
de otene na wo hwe ni mfoni odi atwago e wo wiase nyina pa no so a St Augustine de atoto so no ora Samuel Yelage political doctor and Adodona de Bonnes Hamrane, one air president of my Concerned National Service Personnel Association of Ghana. One of 60 cities are Penim Fuatetieno, and Omso Mojo Musica.
SOMPA 106.5 FM across Sunia, Tuakasia Bono so ede amount. Time mensi assembly no penyini ya wo si abayanemu ewo hobuno mantem ho asem ne yekan eye owura salia idisa wade ato dwasere womo a womtu ato wompotem wose wo bia ntua ne to adwumayefo womo a womo abiebie nyuma ya wo bia ye na de se wo ye Ghana ni nko a wompotem ho de wombesere se esese wutua woto eno en amensin assembly no womo boaboa no kakra na womo de ye empuntundwuma no se ya de bia hadwene se assembly ni se womo anya sika bia mfamfiri aban ensemu a womo ankasa to a womo jeje ewo adwedifo ho ewo womo biebie womo nyuma ne ade no en na womo ede ye akwan womo de ye nsuo womo de tototo akande ahodo de koma yaresabia se de be ya nyoma betimi akonkan sanse wo kwa yaresabia na se wonam se bia akwan fon so a DC na obebo ni ti so na se MP enti se eba se nia womutimi enya ne kakra no womo de ye mpuntunyuma ye to no so no manfo ntuade a ene na ehefa no womo ehye ni mu se wombenya sika wombetimi ede aye sa project no woni ya mane boni na najima no pambo edi nkomo
Eba idea for their on my beer, ya the tour and the chichiri mine. Obaha, oh, and shed any big companies by Kakra market to Sune, property risk, no money, you know. The man for me, say I can or Mati, every neck on the Bruna best at I contribute to revenue collectors, no power, Munya, but now or Muchurch or Moviros, a responsibility to the state or more assets or Mutua to another fine chichiri mine. So you be by a kind in a health facility, educational facility. Ya kwai any network we know to work kakra ye as a nation and na ye those developments no this e ko ba se to work kakra no emma ye as a district no ye so developmental challenges no in a way no yentimi enko ye nim nti ye besra wo mo se revenue collectors no ba wo so enya akomapa na mo ntua no pepa mu na ye so ye mfa nye wo developmental needs no emma wo ye nyina ti asiesa me gidi se time so be fa ne ntama pa afro
Enuachi ena wode ensem kakra tu dwafa telecommunication network ho se bebia o my Ghana empempenso yakwa koduro ewa mamuo mu ni ade over time mensinu emu a wo network ensem de nyenyenyenyenyenye se obetimi afa phone na wafro obi wabra wo mre ho benya internet papa ebegina so na wode adi udwuma de wo mo bre ho pa nti wasre se eno nso mpenifo nhwe na wo munye bibi emfamfa ho.
Yeah, Oba network. So far, our network there was so many communities. Areas have been, you know, member of parliament. Actually, Namobe Bira, many workers say you see a whole mast. That was Namasa almost 70 to 80% competent. Be handing over my community. You started be honey and check on the side. Abe resita wa aino. Na koko I desert I hospital ya wa inswa. Also network ye challenge wo hoka kranti. Also we starting new one wa and also yeah. Various communities, about 11 communities, and check materials beside here. Ombe rezi mass and Rama communities no ayusu. And also an amumbe brina yatu any MP collaboration. Imagine air course ye papa and Yaman for Benya network at the air course.
Ene ya ekotie ye DC ya o what time mensinu emu onumunyam for salia idisa woni yamane boni na najema no pambo ni disa nkomoyi.
Ebusia ma yemfiri wona ho yebono na yemra asantimamu babia chairman Benard Ntwibosi akon wodi ne chairman edema wosono no ewa NPP mu eho na mewei na sesia woni wedi wo hwe akire se chairman ya wo hwe akire acting chairman Yura Patrick Champon no afre NPP ma no se wo awo gali fabra mreke asichire krakase ahodo mu nyina mfa meboabo ano ne busa sa aden so ade chen pese ekosra chema wontumi ewo ensawam security prison or medium security prisons na ye hwese de ne hote na we nyina wo kan no na wo musa di nkomo se appeal de da se bo a ese wo mu yebi na wo mu ho ba bi susan de brode ho no ebefa na sa nkomo yi no enam se asantimamu ya ba ne bofo no wo ma ese mframa bo ba bi enti no de Yura Patrick Champon ebo so no wo mu fa bi maye.
The bosses don't go and say, oh, what the officer says, you have to just go for the programs. We are buying over, go for Sunday, or go or micro, I everybody that as in the who buy no one, and you are few, more, but you are over. What are we
Ampa yaba SOMPA noa enkomo a woti ye Yura Patrick Champon a wono na sese wo hwe akire se sono titere ni ewa asantemamu na wone yamane bofo edi nkomo wa ma hobo a womde kwa akosara chema wontumi
Empuntu hini owo edina nanano matrankonya eye nana eko ankama wodikan wode atu dwase wo ba emfimfi mantem tichupa ene Elmina ene ne mpotemu a mieme yahodo bebre wo hormo yensrahwe bia wo mugidi sese aban ne bema nani akoho na wo mo aye no wo maye ni ye betimi edi nyuma abre emabunu tichuru ewo empeswa no eso wode nsem we nyina etu dwa wabra wono ene nyumakuo bi a ensha aban ase wo mo eso monodex ki bi be mako oha enkonwa yi bi ena wo mo boaboa no ede koma Edinaman Senior High School ya eno no ewo Elmina sede be ye betimi aboa ema humesua ho nsem so etimi akonkan na wode atu Joseph Foundation no wo mo assign ahye uniforms ahodo bi nso a adesuafo no wo betimi ahye no wo mo de akọ school bi ko obu wo ho a ubehunu natade pa ehye no sede esi ayo no na enye nkuranhye kora enti wo mbehye na anye bi kura no uniforms no mako be ya hanude wo mbepe bi ede ama adesuafo no na etimi aboa won dwuma wo mudi ensem a nana ekọ ankama wodi kan ede tu dwane bini.
My area of development are focused on education, health. The third priority is to promote and make Elmina famous as a tourist destination, because once more tourists is coming to our town, more you, even most of you, can work in the hospitality industry for the future. Today we are going to introduce the showcase, which we are offering to the tourists who are coming to our lovely town. Since now, we are three packages which tourists coming to Elmina can choose from. They can easily organize themselves and buy uniform. But just for $600, let's say group of 10 or 12 tourists, and we will leave the last work of paying those tourists who will come to the school, and they will just do last pictures for Instagram and other social media, and they can make up one school and 2 classrooms for kids or care area. You will see 2 classrooms, one which is in the current shape and another one which was done by Lemon Beach, and the second one by 2 new partners, tourists who came to Lemon in the past, and they left money here, and then we completely refurbished the classroom to the new desks. We paint it and we make it very nice.
Anti Bruni no. One yempuntu hine wo Edina Traditional Council ho. Nana eko wankama wodi kan. Mumra Facebook na mumehe enkomo ya yebui ena wote nene nwechi headmaster wada Edinaman Senior High School na no John Arthur enso ejina empenifo eda school no anaimu eda see papa pase womatimi aye wo mo aye ti sei wo se na nsem kura no wo mo ka schools ahodo aye be peja wo mo akọ grade A na category A schools no eti we no kura no be ye mo akesi pi ede ama wo mo eno so sei ena wo kan no.
I wish that the amount becomes one of the category A schools, because I always say that when you cross the east way to the eastern side, you see a lot of grade A schools. But when you come to the western side, you don't have a lot of grade A schools. You see a lot of grade B. So we put measures in place to create a conducive environment for teaching and learning, to enhance excellence, to ensure that an amount, the shortest possible time, when you cross the east way, you also be acknowledged as a grade A school. So the timely intervention, because it's going to serve a great purpose. A conducive environment for teaching and learning, where the students will have to use it to excel in all endeavors. And I believe that the people who put it there very.
Eni ye ekutie ye headmaster wada Edinaman Senior High School ano Owura John Arthur Yamani Boni Eric Anan enediwe efinfinfi mantemu bae. Ene ye free mpuntu ho nsam no a ma yenko atoyafam takwa ne yekui. Apinto Divisional Council womo na se de mpanimfo aboso se mines no wo mbenya nka Ghana fo a wonum de no wo makwadare wo adwuma num na enyo esanse okuro mpete odi wunam a ebika ene na Pinto Divisional Council se eya disrupt dia papa na obia ni wa asempa obeka se yemfa nkodo enti nana ada akwa abedi akwa otoso miensa doctor wona yeja ase hene e wo mpotem ho wo friends and trofo nhemudie ene wo de sa ansem ni nyina eto wo manim de ntia wo mo nsofo aso se Ghana ni a waben wo adwuma no no emeje na abo amampuntu a abo wo mo se emfifira abo ade nchem no wo mo se atumi aka bi.
It is true that we had a number of conversations with Goldfields, and we have talked about Goldfields developing our communities. But that was before I realized that Goldfields earned $437 million in a year, and community investment is less than 1%. I didn't know that. So if you are helping me, so if you come to us and you say that what you have given us, you've been given one classroom here, one toilet seat there, and your profit that you are earning is commensurate to what you are giving us, we are not greedy.
Eni a woti eni mfoni a wo hwe no doctor Nana da akwa bedi akwa wotoso me ensaja ase hene de ma adehia wo no mo wo apinto ne na afa ho ye wo takwa ene ne nso ayem na atese wo mo kasa ye se Goldfields mines ene se wa ye adwuma wo ho mfi hia bebiri no wo mo ntimi nhu ajapade bi kura mfa won santene se na wɔn so na wɔn nsa aka nanso sɛ ɛkɔhyɛ Ghana ni nsa anya hwee maya mu na wɔde sika ne teɛ nti ɛho mfifiri no ebi bɛsosɔsɔ hɔ.
Eye new market kwan no so na eye assembly na etu sa na mo san se wo mo kire mu se efie bebre ni akwakwa ye oha power kasoa ene ne mpotamu na wabra wo mo kwakwa o sa refuse collection site yi eho entoma no ediu awutu senya ismensi no aban krache odumonyamfo set se wono banini wono ena efuru simpie ni apa ene yamane boni kwakwa de ma edi nkomo kire enhyehyɛ ya wo mudi gu akwan mu ene enema hodo eye mmra ebata saa improvement ya wo mudi aba impotem ho no
na bibia because in Jawa and perform ba we are generation na cool until you the multiple state containers abubua na attendance and you the attendance to actually all you say we say so I'm the more and na we ma na ansana and you say we na attendance na signal and environmental for na this party track this we know let us say track the factor we not in there we do we before I see that clearly for it so you are multiple controversies. So the Haba Okana, my own story, then I look at the video, and then that besides the Ababa, that will show you. This intervention is a careful and a careful intervention. And I am really to go so after this, beginning with the are sitting there, sanitation that security officers, the training, the after all this, they ask me, so they be so much as one with you. Until they change the
Ormonyamfo set se wono banini wono ena eye MC ewo awutu senya east wakasa wiye no emfifi mantemo environmental health officer Togbe Nyaso Ababio wobo assembly naba so se wo modin hihye bi se egu akwamu sanse betimi aboa amahunidi ho asem no agineye.
Refugees in Kaswa have been a challenge. I'm very glad this morning to be part of this very important historical event now, getting containers placed at points that people from their houses or whatever businesses they may be running will now have a place to dump rather than dumping along the street for that same way to collect. I want to use this opportunity to commend our Honorable Chief Executive and his team. I know the MP is also very strongly connected to this achievement. It is a great achievement, and that I want to urge all of us, send the message across that now we will not encourage people dumping elsewhere. This thing we are seeing here caused the assembly much, and so let's all come together to ensure clean sanitation, because sanitation, we all know, is collective responsibility.
We aye emfifi mantem environmental health officer Togbe Nyaso Ababio yamani boni kwaku adema eneto amani boyi ebaye
abusuama yemfiri mantemu na fe yenwura bono no nso ye kwa ahenkuro doma afa ho na najima mbadu abobo ano pe babia doma 100.7 ofa SOMPA kase no eje usu be ma mo abobo ano na anu ya otese ma me Elizabeth ofosu jare ne dom no wono mokokohia bokena mpanimfo a sei womaje atom se woman bia kura na womo ne ni dwa Ghana de ye hwesika womo de bre ye de koma bokena fo no womaje atom se wombekoso ane ye didwa ye nkosua no wombeje bia ton na womo ntosi ne yenso akwakofa bi ababedi na saade no ewiye domafo abo age so pa se brode ama mese ya de ne mum eba beboa ode ebema akuyafo a womo ye portrait wono mo nso emfaso no wo manya bi na wo mo boss adwa no nya adaje a wo mo bom panimfo abaso no na nakumi ye bo aso ama ya wono ena ye kronti hima doma kronti hima anasa kwansra kronti hima wono anso ena ye kan poultry farmers and egg exporters na ogina wo manim ekasae wo da asese
Papa ya kwenya no ka ya semi e ma ne ye fe e ma ne ma sunu e ma sa ne ye to na mo na be du ba bia ye bia e ya sa eti ba fa kwenya ye a che ye bra e ko bi ni sa aboye wa ye be ba ye tre bi ni sa ya ma me Elizabeth ma me so abo modiri ye aboye ama ne ya ti asende ina e se ye fa kwenya so ne da se na se da na Florence so adio che adio se ni e no ba ye ha no ye so ma ne ka ya ne ni da ko be ka se mi ti me na so ye ni ne eti na se ya le poche farmers association ma ye to go shi and the member that kind of one we chi do ye be nyina go shi shi mu a ye media wo nyina ye da mase this asa ne ba ye ye fi mo ko muti a ka ye nu ba bia ye turi
enti wo bo media ba so no ana ba for Alhaji Atosi Ababiu wona ye do ma so mankwa hene afi wo ye pottery farmer so ene wo san ye egg exporter wono so di say ne to so
ma bi ya be kambu de akino ko ka be ama sisi kwana dem ko se ade de so so de kwani bia no e bi ya dise na no abia kwa ama sa ro we apa so ata ya sa de do ma be ne be to de ye be asida mwa ye do ma ye bra sa je fo se de yo kambu ye am one na na du na be fo be ya sa de do ma be se ma ba de gi se sa ko mi be ya ma no de ma ye ma so de ba si bi
Nana Atosi Ababiu no wono ene ye do ma so mankwa hene wona ate se wokasa yi e wodwumade na se agya wusu be ma woto bi ede ma ye freedoma 100.7
Hot Bites was SOMPA 106.5 FM across so ena wasungusu awutie no yenko ensemfofo emum abeto just say Ghana this year be ye adronunum 25 ya wo mutu kwan ekọ Canada ekọ 2026 FIFA World Cup yi ebienu wo mo e de visa ena ekọ yenko wiase saa enipa 25 ne yesi wo mu siki asylum na ye kaso obi siki asylum a na chese wo hia bambo e de free amanone foreign country bia enya asylum dan wa akra wo hia bambo bi de free international organization anasa o mai bi so a ebi ana basabasa yo bi ikoso woni krom ebi antokwa bi asi ana niema bi ikoso e woni krom a wagidi se wonono bambo ho asem kwa so no emwa enti no wo behia protection e wo honom enti esese wo kasa aman ne so ana wotena ho kakra kopim se bia niema bejo ansa na waba enti saa asylum seekers no Ghana fo ewo mu ye 25 na wo mu kire mu se Immigration ni Refugees and Citizenship Canada womo ena edisa report no eba ye se enye Ghana fo nkwanso Ghana fo ne doso womo na recorded the highest numbers a womo siki sa asylum no ewo Canada when ye ka se we ade World Cup ye ko ye kura machi ya ntimi ankodu ba bi ye ka se twum sika ye de ko ye ne de ye ko nya firi ho ba ye ne kura no enye aha ne ye ba bedi hu nkoma ho nsem pii na obi nso wo kwa support se fan ewo match ni mu a ya boawie ade mu kura ye ye firi mu ache na ode what na wa ma World Cup ne kura ba wie ye brei eno nso a akwakoda ne ensem pii na wo mu echire mu ese Canada for wo mu issue 26,000 visas enema as akwantufo se wo mu mra World Cup ya ekosu yi ebie na wo mu kire mu se uyi Ghana firi hono a aman wodo a wo mo so ade hye ka saa asylum seekers no Egypt fo wum Senegal fo wum New Zealand fo enso ebi ewum enso se de meka no check numbers ye wa ha ye Egypt ye 15 New Zealand fo no eye 21 Senegal eye 10 enti wo hye saa aman ahodo ye na Ghana ye 25 enti se ye no yana ye do so pa wo mu na wo mu kire mu se wo mbehwe enkrater wo mehwemu reasons na wo mo de ba ne se bia ya de e betinya consider mana ye ya fine se nya de so ye betinya ama hu mu aye bia ne na wo mu nyina no away bus wo mbesan aba wo mu krom Kenya fo dunum Nigeria fo edu ena afei enipa num so efri Burundi ya wo mu nyina nso ekasa asylum seekers no ehun
abusia we wo mu hia di mafo Midimafo Herbal Center Dr. Tam Daso je wokoho na chese woko siki asalam no se amane be na akwakobo se ntokwa na esi Ghana ana mo ba ye bebo mo se mo anwe ni nti ene mo nkoka se flood no mo firi ha na flood na hohoro mo dan kwe ente sa na mo siki asalam ahweye ye be evacuate mo de mo aba abusu eno nti ene wose onye dimafo menim yade ete so stroke sisi yade ana wapo no ena yade naka ka ho fa koma bidimafo eba center Dr. Time da so won fa time onto so na wonyi yade mfiri wasetena mu kra kidney failure ekum nipa se nenso wo anu aduro na de ama oba bi ana se busua bi de bia wo mo se sum wo ma no na wote se we wo ha no waduru ho nyina ya wo a wo hwehwe ntira ka ho ko wo che makwa kwajibi na wonso di ho badudwan 0500 na homa no ana 0244774282 pokuya se mayira ehwo na yade yira ma yadesa esorigina ana ebu akwa agogo yagogo yade napo ma wontimi mpagya mu na kampesa wo bedi mensem ewo wedie num na ukọ doctor na se doctor bewo panie ana wo be mu aduro na highly efficacious medication obeka cho se didi wudi nso didi emu edu se de be ye aduro no kwa enkwawe uyem na mom ebetimi awe aduro no na obese ediane no befa ho ama wanya ahoden foforo just hot kenke ende mekoso a no madi ho adanse de ama esanse enso na omode no ano yesu na ate ho Jesus our source wo mo odome commercial bank na chipe enam se yesu de enti no dokuno ebinum bonus 7 cities 6 cities de wo from kra 5 enso enu se metumi de be 3 ana 4 no wo mo de bonus 3 cities enso mentimi ni 2 we Joseph a enwumre wo mo kutaye mu wada amanti ye na ye hutia wamra ye ba na efe ye kwewie wa amanone
Point homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi enim say say prostate na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na endpoint homeopathy clinic anase kidney liver problem wo fa baby na ajuju na de friend premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakosia asa wo di ne ho agro asa wo to nte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo ema ne mema mo pa wo endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi na wo ho anase bia wo hwe wo fa baby na ajuju kidney problem prostate there endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic ewo konoma boy here na akra hanso so there wo mu gina mu ankasa ewo spinches zebre friend share signboard no hudu na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia ebechiro for endpoint ewo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu dem fua.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service, our SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Satikwambo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and Amnensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass perfect service in Chawu Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Munkusi Anopanunsia. Fawudanina Sheradens. Na erade beye
SOMPA TV Emma Aketiapa
enokre ema katuapa ampa busua ye ko wiensem ni nyina wa amanone ye ko South Africa mamu wo se an bibire mu de nanso amanone na bia na ho na nche bia xenophobic attack ni si ho kokurom na koye hoye sawo so wunum de na betimi aye nema wo ye mamu akọ na koye wo mamu de na enso ye nye de esanse abrututu nyina Ghana fo age nti wo moje aye se adwuma no etire ye yitire ye pamade ne nema ahodo ekeka ho anwe ne wo ye nsa no de ase Ghana fo ko no wo mo ye pa nya so mfa so ntini wo mo adwa eno ne wie ye mampani so ramafo saka se wo ba na wo ne Ghana fo abedi nkuta ho sabra yakọ evacuate enkrofo aba wie no na Ghana fo se hene ha mo nsi ha o ende sa wo si ha ye beka banku amanadi na sansam na wo mo boro so no ha na Ghana mampani so ebe yi ano se de na ekoso wo ho no wo mudi enkrofo mpaboro no a wa mo ho wa ewi o se wo mo right no enya de ye be so ama wono nso aba ha anhweye na Ghana for de abufa ye de ni kwanse wo mo ye ntima o mpe no ho asema wo mma eno na ma no ne so afo senka ye he ya ye be ka se ye wura kugya to abrokwa na mom South Africa mamu ne de Renard Lamola wase Ghana ene South Africa ye ntimi nkasa ye te ye ho de afiri wo ho am na ye ayesa kotra gyanan fitaa ne tuntum no enti ye ni fitaa na ye papa no ye kasa ye te ye ho afiri wo ho a wiase nyina be yi wo mama na enkra wode ba ya wato ama Ghana mampani no yama ne bofofo abudity.
With regards to the question you've asked, what do we make of the continuous deluge of criticism from Ghana and the statement that the African Union chair has made? I was in Ghana 2 days ago, and on behalf of President Ramaphosa as a special envoy, where I delivered a special message. There was an agreement between ourselves and Ghana that the current migration-related challenges will not stand in the way of South Africa-Ghana bilateral relations.
Eno na waka twa asem ni nyina etia no se de ekoso yi enye no ene be se ya yonkofa ye wo ene yenu ado na ye wo no we eye amana ne so afo ya wo South Africa mamu Roland Lamola ena wone yamane bofo ekase yabusua eno so ni yegyina na anwumre ensampa midimafo eba center Dr. Time da so wo so yasene ma Just Hot Kenke ebo ya asemu a yetimi nya bibi etotomu na yebebe mawo no yede wo esie afa na afidie no waso a ensam na yede baaye no de na edi mu akotene ya wote ye ne bi ne se
owura bi a wadi mfihia na aduanan mienu a wobo ne ho safo hene se wo ye imam ewo wa ene ne mpotem no wakosese abamu bi a wadi mfihia nso ama na sam na kwakopie mu okota court no ahye se Iliasu Konate wonko da afiase mfihia du
ene ena se ye kan sra na no a Ghana mampani a wonya ne ba bi kwa wa konwa so Professor John Evans Atafi Females yede kai no na nkomode epi na akoso ye wura to ba forcing wakase wo se valued added tax eto no ebiru moje edigu wo mo botom na wo maje afiri adwadifo ho na so se wo ma ye nhihye bi a emfa ho no ba bi abete afa wo no monsa betumi aka
Professor Jane na no poku agiman eyo manyi mampanyini abedi akire wode ato dwa se aban na ebeboa ahye mensi assemblies ahodo no won behye omudwumadie mu kina said ye beya kronkuma mu puntu betimi agina ye ewo oman Ghana mu saranso ne ye de somo se Ghana de hye beya duonunu mu a wo mo call World Cup ibie ewo Toronto ho Canada ho no wo mo akosiki asara na se wo mo mpese wo mberete ne aba Ghana ha biem enti ama ahodo so ade hye bi nso so ka ho ya wo mu nyina no immigration ye wo Canada man mu wo mo se wo mo ehye wo mo enkrata na wo mo nsɛmnum sɛ ya de hu hia sampampa sɛ bia sɛ de esi wo South Africa ye no de ebetimi akonsider da ba obi ahwe nkoso wo krom bibia ni hɔ saa de te sɛ Ghana ha asumdua ye ha ma wo sɛ me ma ɛno no de wo mehwe na ne wo ma ye wo yi no na ya bɔ waba na waba beto abrabɔ no so ɛwɔ hanom sei ye kɔ emu nsɛm ne amanone de South Africa nsɛm ahodo efiri hɔ no mo ɛba ɛne ye de nyina ɛka ho ɛde som mo sɛ hot bite Kasiebo ene nento aso SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye ne affiliate a etwahia Ghana hafa na ne amanone adamfo pa radio wo Paris ewo France wo mo nso FB SOMPA 101.1 eno ewo takwa wo nyina ye da wo mase Facebook YouTube ye stream live wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra on Facebook and SOMPA FM live on YouTube uko www.sompaonline.com enne ensema ye de ba ye nyina no ya tro ena yedi egu honum obetimi akọ na wakọ akokinkan bi midimafo herbal center Dr. Time da so wone Just Hot Kenke womo ena eso yasene a yede Kasiebo no ebaye midin ede ADWOA ASARE mene
triple man ejapia APAM DADAA
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello. Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, echo US. Eh, no crowd who crowd from Obama mania. Na Papa mo what to say. I radiate my habako. Nana could just see. Echo basim penemo. Dear what Tonga dancing Hunyamanonso. What's your idea? Oh, what's your Akoba? Messi or Bodma class like an annual. Now what do US want some for Bondis Anna? Eh, Papa, US a Hakuradi. Nana could just see company limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada.